Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the knobs on a tub shower valve. Okay, when it comes to replacing the knob on a shower tub valve, of course it's important to know who the manufacturer is of the valve. On this particular one, we purchased the correct knob, and you'll see that it's kind of a teardrop shape. Now there's a cap over the top, and you want to use something like a sharp utility knife to get underneath the edge of that cap to pop it off. That will expose a Phillips head screw underneath there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screw, and once you pull it all the way out, the handle, you'll probably have to jiggle it a little bit, pulls straight out. Now be careful, because depending on the type of valve, some of them when you pull on, it turns the water on. Others turn left or right to turn the water on. On this particular valve, it turns by rotating the handle. Once you pull the old handle off, it's a good idea to take a rag and clean up any debris that might be underneath there. And then you can take the new knob, slip it right back onto the stem, reinstall the screw, pop the new cap on, and you're done. Coming up next, my video on how to install a shower hose.